Today, we will explain the methods of transmitting and receiving a distress signal SOS through Morse light in accordance with Colregs Annex 4 and International Code of Signals. I will explain the transmitting SOS signal. Morse code representation. The distress signal SOS is represented in Morse code as first is the S. It has three short signals. O, three long signals. And last is S, three short signals. The complete sequence is 3 short, 3 long, and 3 short. Light signal characteristics. A short signal flash of light lasting about 1 second. Long signal. A long flash of light lasting about 3 seconds. Timing. A short signals are separated by a brief pause about 1 second. A long signals are separated by a brief pause about 1 second. A longer pause about 3 seconds. Separate the groups of signals, and now I will explain to you how to execute a transmitting distress signal SOS through Morse light. First is use a powerful light source, for example searchlight or a powerful flashlight, to ensure visibility. Next is repeat the SOS signal at regular interval to increase the chances of being noticed.
I will discuss receiving the SOS signal. Observation. Crew members should maintain a lookout for visual distress signals, including Morse light in signals. Interpretation. Upon observing the sequence of flashes, crew members should recognize the pattern as SOS. Understand that this indicates a vessel in distress requiring immediate assistance. Action. Take appropriate measures such as attempting to communicate with the distressed vessel or notifying authorities.